Hi everyone, my name is Tan. Today I will talk to you about sound and okay. Let's start. The first, when you read the sound, you put the tip of your tongue between your front teeth. Blow out the air between your tongue and top teeth. Do not use the voice, okay? But the sound. You do that, but you don't use the voice to say, okay? The sound. Practice saying following the words. At the beginning of the words. Thanks. Thursday. Thick. Think. Thunder. In the middle of words. Anything. Athletic. Bath mouthwash, toothbrush. At the end of words, bath, forth, north, south, beneath. Practice saying the following sentence with her. I thought a thought, but the thought I thought is not the thought I thought. I think I thought a thought, but the thought I thought is not the thought I thought. B. Sound Z. Practice saying following words. At the beginning of words. The, them, those, that, there, these, they, this. In the middle of words. Clothing, another, leather, weather, mother, northern. At the end of words. Smooth, bass, breathe. Okay, thank you for listening. Thank you.